So good morning everyone. So Cappadocia, which is in Turkey by itself. So for the people first time they are watching my videos, so this is Kariwithyou. Let's start our day. So I'm on my way and I saw this beautiful cars, pink, red, beautiful cars. For the people that are looking for bath, this is one famous of the bath, which is the Elise Hammam bath. So that bath which is I show you now, it's just near, like in the city. Like we are walking in the city now, and just it took us like 3 minutes by walk, 5 minutes maximum. So if you want to go, you can visit that one. It's nice to sometimes like make a round in the city, see everything by yourself. And especially now the weather is okay, you don't feel like that much cold or something, since you're covered up. Like me, I'm wearing like this much, I'm wearing this and 2 t-shirts or 3 t-shirts and still, so that's why I feel little okay. So that's how I can go more, and it's nice when you walk, you don't feel that much cold. So this is the good part. And there is a Chinese restaurant if you want to try different country food. So this is the vibes, and it's really amazing. And here we found the Indian restaurant as well, which is Delhi Darbar Indian. So nice when they are keeping like international food. So for the people they cannot eat anything or something, so they can feel their country food is here, so you enjoy more. So many types of food here, the street. Should be there is a river, I guess. And now there is a shops there. Use washroom if you want to use washroom or something. So this is washroom as well. So and there is a taxi spot here if you want to use it with the map and everything. So you can go inside and they will call taxi for you. So still we are walking actually. This is Brothers Green. So actually they have many things with the name of brothers here. So even the hot air balloon called Brothers, the one is supposed to fall down. For the people who watch the video of the hot air balloon, they will understand this.